Hi guys, welcome back to Kay's Kitchen. Today we'll be making this mouth-watering jambalaya soup. Alright, let's get started. For the ingredients, we have andouille sausage, chicken, shrimp, green pepper, red pepper, and onion. We have some minced garlic, olive oil, black pepper, thyme, oregano, paprika. You can use smoked or regular paprika, onion powder, slap your mama or any Cajun seasoning that you have, flour, parsley, garlic powder, salt, bay leaves, some chicken broth, and crushed tomatoes. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cook our chicken breast in our andouille sausage with our olive oil. So I'm going to pour our olive oil on. And you want to cook this on your stove at about medium high. Alright, so let's get the oil hot. Once the oil's a little hot, we're going to add our chicken, which should be in about a few minutes. Alright, now let's add our chicken in with our sausage. Now we're going to cook both of these together until they are brown. Now if you need to add a little more olive oil so it can cook, you're more than welcome to do so. It just depends on how big of a pot you have. Once you have your chicken and sausage cooked, you want to make sure your chicken is all the way white. We're going to go ahead and add in our onion and bell peppers. And we're going to cook these down until they are soft. Now we're going to add in our lovely minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you prefer, or you can use the already minced garlic. And we're going to stir this until it is nice and soft with the vegetables. Once everything is nice and soft, we're going to go ahead and pour in our flour. This is for the thickening of the soup. And we're going to stir it until it is nice and brown. Next, we're going to add in our chicken broth. Make sure you mix it in very well. Now we're going to add in our crushed tomato. We're going to stir this up really well. And we're going to add our seasonings. Now we're going to add in our crushed tomato. We're going to stir this up really well. And we're going to add our seasonings. For our seasonings, we're going to add in our bay leaves, black pepper, thyme, oregano, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, our Cajun seasoning. I have Slap Your Mama, parsley, and salt. Now just a little bit of salt. Alright, we're going to stir this, and then we're going to add in our shrimp. Now all of these seasonings, you can add more or less depending on taste. We're going to stir this for a little bit, and then we'll add our other ingredients. After you have the seasonings all mixed in, we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp. You know, shrimp doesn't take that long to cook. And oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. When you make this, you will see what I'm talking about. But let's add our shrimp. Now we're going to stir in our shrimp. We're going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I know you're asking, where is the rice? Well, I found it better if it's cooked separately so it doesn't get all mushy in the soup. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and add our rice in. And then we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can soak in the soup. And we're going to serve it. Alright guys, once you're done with your jambalaya, you're going to serve it over a little bit of rice with some garlic toast. You can choose any kind of toast, but I chose garlic. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below what I should make next. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.